Hello, welcome to the Ricerverkstad. I'm super excited about today's video. I couldn't wait to start recording it because we are going to open together and get a first impression of the new Neoart 6901 by Caran. So I purchased the biggest box that there is, the 48 colors, and I cannot wait to open it. So let's go, let's open it together. After that, we're gonna look at the characteristics of these pastels. We're gonna try them out, see their consistency, and then we're gonna try them out on black paper and compare them to similar products by Caran like Neocolor, Neopastel, and Luminance. Let's go. If you're new to the channel, you can subscribe if you want to get some more updates. I'm very passionate about Neocolor, especially Neocolor 2, so most of my videos are about Neocolor. So I ordered this directly from the Caran website, and I'm based in Switzerland, so the price was in Swiss francs. I paid 126 Swiss francs for this box of 48. So let's go. Here it comes. I'm so excited. La 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 la. Here it is. 48 Neoart. Oh my god, fantastic. So here are the Neoart. 100% light fast. This means light fastness rating 1 and 2 according to this ASTM certification, ASTM D6901 certification. We have 48 colors, and I think that they are water resistant. What I expect, honestly, so I expect, since they are wax oil pastels, so compared to the Neopastel, I expect something a bit firmer, so less creamy. And maybe compared to the Neocolor 1 and 2, I expect something a bit more creamy, because you can also see by the picture that there are a bit of crumbles. The big selling point of these ones, I think it's the light fastness, similar to what you have for the Luminance, because they are also called Luminance 6901. Because they have the same certification. I think, yeah, the big advantage of this one is the light fastness. And they are wax oil pastels, so they're not pure oil pastels. They have the waxy element in them that I think I'm gonna like a lot, since I like Neocolor so much. Okay, the packaging is very nice. Quite heavy, I would say, for being cardboard. And here they are. Oh, fantastic. Oops. Okay, so here we have all the characteristics and the color chart. And so they fit into the same pencil holder that you can use for Neocolor. I have it, we can try it. It's this fixed pencil 0012. And yeah, let's have a look at them. So I have to say, I thought they were a bit thicker from the picture. I would have expected a bit thicker product. But so looking at them, first impression, wow, they're very beautiful, not at all soft by this, like in the oil pastels, you can almost feel that they are kind of soft. This doesn't seem to be so soft. It looks more like a Neocolor, honestly. They are octagonal, so this is a difference from the Neopastel, which is round. So if you're gonna use both of them together and you don't have the coating anymore, you can still distinguish Neoart from Neopastel. And yeah, they look pretty. So let's have a look at the characteristics together. Light fastness, This is one very important characteristic. Wax and oil, so not pure wax pastels are as Neocolor here. These are pure wax pastels, and this Neo pastel will be oil pastel. So that makes them different from the other products that are already in the market. And then they are water resistant. We have 48 colors, and so the price was 126 francs for 48 pieces, something like 260 francs per piece. For a comparison, like one Neocolor is maybe between, you can find it for 150, 160. A Neocolor, a Neo Pastel, where I buy them, it's like 3 francs per piece, more or less. And a Luminance is like 350, can be up to 350 or even more per piece. It's somewhere in between Neocolor and Luminance. And if you compare it to a color pencil, I think this has more volume of pigment. So I think it's quite good value for the price it has. These are the main characteristics. Now the moment of truth. Since Caran d'Ache is red, I take this red color, Scarlet, and let's try it out and let's see if my expectations are true. Okay, oh wow. Okay, it's fantastic. Wow, wow, wow. So, I have to say, it's very smooth, very nice, doesn't crumble too much. Can you smudge it? Yes, you can blend it also with the fingers a little bit. You can go and do thicker layers if you press more and smudge it a little bit. Very good. In terms of consistency, it's, I would say, a bit like Neocolor 1, but a little bit more. Let's say you feel that there is a bit of oil in this. It glides a bit easier on the paper. It's nice with this form because you can have, like, you can work on the edge and have fine lines, but you can also work with the whole surface and have cover larger areas this way. And varying the pressure, you get different effects, like light pressure like this, heavy pressure, you get a more compact color. Yes, I like it. Let's try to put it into this one. Yes, it fits very well also into this fixed pencil, and you can use it this way. Yes, very nice. On the cover you find like the light fastness, I hope you see it here, light fastness, the number, the name in French, English, German, that is Swiss made, the name of the Neoart, and Caran d'Ache. Yes, I like it. I like them a lot. The only thing that maybe I don't like so much is, you see, like Neocolor have and Neo Pastel, they have this paper coating in the same color as the pastel, but this one has black coating. Maybe it's also to make it a bit different from Neo Pastel, but honestly I prefer the coating of the same color as the pastel itself. We can talk a little bit about the color range. I think it's quite nice because we have some colors like this saffron, which here has the highest light fastness, but in Neocolor has only 1 star of light fastness, and in Neocolor 2, and also the russet Here it has 2, light fastness 2, in Neocolor it has only 1 star. So I really like that there are these colors in a version that is more light fast. So my expectation here is that this is just the first stage I would expect, and I would expect that soon at some point there is going to be an extension of this one, as they made for the luminance. The luminance first they got 76, the 76 set, then they got the 20 pieces for the portrait assortment plus 4 more colors, so that they came up to 100 colors. An important test, I think, is to test the white on black paper. First, the Neoart. Okay, I am applying a nice thick layer. Then I can apply the luminance. Okay, for having like this, look, the Neoart is whiter than the luminance, is more opaque, and the luminance makes a bit more crumbles if we want to achieve this nice coverage. Then Neo Pastel. Okay, so the Neo Pastel is as white as the Neoart, but of course more creamy because it has more oil, and you see you have almost this 3D effect with the Neoart a little bit. It's like almost impasto, not really impasto, but almost. And with this one, not really, it's a more flat, shiny surface. Then we have Neocolor 1. Yeah, as I was saying before, it feels like Neoart, but Neoart, you feel that it has some oil in it. And the color, you feel that thanks to this oil, you can have a bit a thicker layer and a more opaque layer. And then the Neocolor 2. The Neocolor 2 is a bit creamier than the Neocolor 1, this we know. But it is not it doesn't glide as well as the Neoart. So to summarize my first impression of these, I think, wow, I like them. I've been missing them because it's like these waxy, really waxy. I like this waxy layer, and you see I can make it a bit pink with my finger. This like waxy consistency, I think it's really appealing. I think they fill a gap because they have this light fastness, same as the luminance, but in pastel form, like this, and in a waxy medium, which compared to a pure oil medium, the oil you can really smudge it a lot. The wax, it's a bit harder to move it. You can still smudge it and blend it, but it's a bit harder. Yes, one final test that we can make is blending. Let's try to blend or superposing the Scarlet 070 with the white 001. And if you ask me, they blend really well. We can get a nice pink. If we do like this, we can add a bit more of white. Yes, I like it. And this we obtained from the white plus the scarlet. And you see that also the scarlet on black paper, it has a really nice, it's really nice and opaque, and you can really obtain this nice intense color. I like them. I'm gonna use them, I think, very soon. You can follow me on my Instagram. There I'm also called Richa Werkstatt to see what I will produce with these. And yes, thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments if you want me to make a review like about the color range, or about if you want me to try them out in a different way, or if you are interested in me trying some specific colors, because like before buying them you would like to see how they perform. You can tell me in the comments and I will try to make a video about that. Another thing that I would want to tell you is that I have a color palette tool online where you can create your color palettes using Caran. I have like New Color 1, New Color 2, Neo Pastel, Luminance on there, where you can create palettes, rotate them, and just like explore new palettes. If you are interested, I leave you the link in the description. Maybe I'm gonna do another video about that as well. But for now, thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you again soon in the next video.